Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today I'm going to talk about Snagit and animated GIFs. Here I have my website. I created this website back in 1998 for a company. So let's make an animated GIF of this, just to show off my creative skills. So to run Snagit, I have my computer set up as the print screen will launch Snagit and its capture errors. I'll show you this. Hit print screen. Now we're going to draw a box around this so you can capture it. So you have a scrolling capture. That would be like if the image was 5 pages long. You hit that, and it will capture about 5 pages or however how long the page is you want to capture. It's really, really cool. Video is what we're going to be doing here, right? Making a video. But of that video, we're going to make an animated GIF. And we have an original capture window where you can capture stuff and put annotations on there, arrows and stuff like that. So let's create this animated GIF. So record it. We'll come in with a countdown clock. No, for this one, we're making sure the webcam is off and everything else is off because we don't want any voice in there. It's strictly an animated GIF. Record. I'll just scroll through this website. And press stop. Now we're in the Snagit editor. Well, it's under 30 seconds. Animated GIFs should be under 30 seconds. So this does fall under 30 seconds. But let's make it more efficient so it loads even faster. So let's start playing this. And just get to the part where I start. Cut this out right there. Cut. Let me stop it. Let's cut this off. Now here's your two options here. You can get PNG, also you can see an image, or animated GIF. So let's click on GIF. Now this is what we want here. We have different options. We want a screen video. We want this resolution. It will come out in its native resolution we captured. But we want this set up, and we don't want fade to black. We want this as a loop. So create. Okay, so now the animated GIF is finished. And it's ready for saving it and importing it into any social media. What you're going to do is go to the file and save as, and we'll save as whatever file you want to save as, and then upload that to Facebook or Twitter or whatever you're using. So that's basically how you create a animated GIF. I will touch on more of this topic. Snagit is a free download, a free 30-day evaluation. It's a very handy program to use. I use it every single day. I can't say much more about Snagit. It's just really, it's affordable. One good thing about Snagit, it's affordable. It's not hundreds of dollars. If you found this video helpful in any way, please give a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching. Thanks, patrons. And a special shout out to Ron's best friend, Benjamin R. Price. You can be here too. Link below.